Good morning to children. Today discussing the next topic is kaleidoscope in the reflection of light. Okay. Now discussing in previous class some points. Okay. So how to form to the multiple images. So mainly depending on the 2 points. First one is how how many mirrors are using in the that is activity. And one more point is that is you are taking the angle, that is the angle between the mirrors. Okay, so mainly the 2 points depending on the images are formed. For suppose we you will taking the 2 mirrors. Okay, so we are taking the 2 mirrors means and angle you are considered the 90 degrees. So how many images are formed? So that is 3 images are formed. For suppose you are decreasing the angle. So you are decreasing the angle means you have to consider the 60 degrees. 60 degrees means how many images are formed? That is 5 images. But you are taking the 2 mirrors only. Same mirrors. Yes or no, ma'am? But here change the angle. Yes or no, ma'am? So for suppose you are taking the 90 degrees means 3 images are formed. You are taking the 60 degrees means 5 images are formed. So here see Nana. So how many images are that is how many mirrors are using in the activity? 2 mirrors. 2 mirrors means which one are using the formula? That is the m is equal to 360 by theta minus 1. So this is the even. Yes or no? So even means that is the 2 mirrors. 2 mirrors means that 2 is the even only. Na? That's why you are taking this formula. For suppose you are taking the odd numbers. Odd numbers means that is a 1 or 3, 5. These all are. You are considered that is a odd number only. 3, 5, 7. So that's using the formula n is equal to 360 by theta. Okay. So here n is considered the images. How many images are considered this formula? So here see that is a 360 by 60 minus 1. So 0, 0, 6, 6 are 36. So finally 6 minus 1 that is equal to 5. How many images are formed? 5 images are formed. So mainly depending on the how many mirrors are using. And one more point is just you are taking the angle, that is the angle between the mirrors. That's why only you are considering how many images are formed here in the activity. Okay. Now in a previous class that is regular and irregular surfaces only. Yes or no? So regular surfaces means that is you are observing your clear image, that is the real images are formed. Yes or no? Irregular surfaces means that is not smooth surface. Yes or no? So you are not observing the clear image. Yes or no? You are understood, Nana? So that's where is observed irregular surfaces, that is windows. Windows doors are using in irregular surfaces only. You are not observing your clear images. Yes or no? Some members are using in irregular surfaces of the glasses only. Yes or no? Okay. Okay, now here discussing the kaleidoscope. So in kaleidoscope you are using the smooth surfaces of the mirrors only. Okay. So you are taking the 3 mirrors. Here you are taking the 3 mirror strips only. Okay, same size of the 3 mirror strips. You are taking the 3 mirror strips. Same size. Okay. So these 3 mirror strips you are arranged in a triangular shapes only. Okay, these 3 mirrors you are arranged to the triangular shape. Triangular shape means for example just your imagination. So this is the 3 mirrors only. Just you are taking 3 mirrors. So this is the base. You are taking the 1 mirror and another mirror you are keeping the one side and another side you are close to the mirrors. Okay. So here form to the triangular shape. Yes or no? Here see. So 3 mirrors are arranged in a triangular shape only. Okay, you are understood, Nana? So here you are taking the 3 mirror strips. So here finally you are arranged the 3 mirrors in a triangular shape. Okay, so you are taking this is the base, You are taking the one mirror, and another mirror you are arranged to the another one, and next third one is you are close to the this mirror. Okay. So here finally you have formed the triangular shape of the mirrors. Yes or no, ma? Okay. Now next you are taking the here formed the two holes. Yes or no, ma? Here formed the two holes. So one end of the side is you are using the transparent paper. One side you are using the transparent paper, and second side, that is another side is you are taking the normal sheet. Sheet means that is packing sheet is there. For example, in you are coming to in Amazon or any packing. Okay, na packing sheets. Okay, for suppose any material you are keeping in one box. This type of box. Okay. So you are taking the one side is you are taking the transparent paper, another side is you are taking the sheet only. Okay, you are understood, Dana? Before you are keeping in a material. So three mirrors you are arranged to the triangular shape. So you are fixed to the three mirrors. You are using the bands. Okay, rubber bands. You are keeping the rubber bands. Okay. Automatically you are fixed to the three mirrors in a triangular shape. After you are taking the one side, you are taking the transparent paper. So this is the transparent paper. Okay, transparent paper means that is the light is traveling in the inside only. You are observing the objectives. Yes or no? That is the transparent. Transparent means the light is traveling the paper only. Okay, so this is the transparent paper. And another side you are taking the sheet only. Yes or no, ma? Okay. So first you are taking the some materials. You are keeping in the material. That is keeping in the mirrors only. Okay. Shining materials. Any shining materials. Stones or glass bangles. That is glass bangle pieces or anything colorful color bangles pieces. You are keeping in the inside of the box. Okay, so this is the materials. You are taking the that is the pieces of the glass bangles, colorful of the glass bangles only. Okay, you are taking the inside, and another side you are close to the sheet. You will taking the sheet only. Okay, so this is the sheet now. You are close to the that is the mirrors. Okay, you are close to the three mirrors. So finally, you are formed the kaleidoscope. That is sorry, one more point is there, ma. So here keep in one small hole. Okay, you are keeping one small hole where sheet side only. Okay, you are keeping in a sheet side small hole. Okay, you are taking the small hole. So you are ready to kaleidoscope. Okay. So you are observing inside of the objects in the hole only. Okay. So what you are observe? So here taking the three mirrors. Three mirrors means automatically you are observing the so many images. Yes or no? You are observing inside so many images. Yes or no? That is and so just you are taking the stand that is a normal position only. Okay, you are rotated the anything, you are changed to the any position. Okay, just you are taking the kaleidoscope. Okay, you are taking the kaleidoscope and observing the inside of the object. So what you are observe, so many images are observed. Okay, and again the time is observed, just you are rotated and observing the object. Slowly you rotate and again you are observing the inside of the object. What you are observe? So you are observing the more the images are observed. Okay. In first case, what you are observe? Just you are not rotated the kaleidoscope. Just you are observing the image. That is observing inside of the object. Yes or no? That time you are observing the what you are observe. Some you are formed the that is images. Yes sir, so many images are formed. And again, second case, what you observe? Slowly you rotated in the kaleidoscope, and again you are observing the inside of the object. Okay, so that time you are observing the more than images. There is so many images are observing that case. Okay, you are understood, Nana? Because that is rotated means so one object you are rotated means that is so many times that object also rotated. So that time your reflection of the light is so many times reflection inside of the box, that is inside of the mirrors. Okay, that's why only you are observing the so many images in the kaleidoscope. Okay, you are understood, Nana? Understood or not? Are you clear, ma? So kaleidoscope you are observing the mainly you are observing the so many images. So one more example, you are considering the water drop. Water drop also you are observing the so many images, so many colors are also observed because your reflection of the light. So reflection of the light you are found to the so many colors. So many colors are observing and reflected of the light is so again reflection of the light. So automatically you are found to the multiple images are formed. So many images are formed. You are understood, ma? Are you clear? So yeah, this one is doing it at home, Nana. And do the that is this activity you are observing at home only. Okay, you are taking the you are not having the mirrors. No problem. You are taking the shining papers. In sweet shops also is there, ma. Okay, shining papers. Okay, you are taking the shining papers also, no problem. And just you are taking the one small that is the same size of the 3 scales. Okay, and just you are paste to the paste means that is covering the shining papers. Okay, full scale is covering the shining papers. Okay, you are taking the 3 same size of the scales. Okay, and you are taking the shining papers. Okay, shining papers, and after you are closed you are taking the that is the bands only. Yes or no? So 3 mirrors are arranged in a triangular shape. Okay, you are using the rubber bands or gum or anything. Finally you are close to the 3 scales, that is the shining scales only. Okay, after finally just you are covering to the any color paper or any designer paper or your vision. Okay, anything only. Finally you are close to the outside of the that is a triangle shape of the these mirrors. Okay, and finally and next one side you are taking the transparent paper, and another side you are taking the same that is the sheet, Nana. Okay, and inside you are keeping the any material, shining materials, that is stones. Stones means that is in cloth. On the cloth you are observing the some stones, shining stones. Okay, the type of the stones, and one more you are color of the glass bangles pieces. Okay, anyone you are taking inside of the, you are keeping inside of the mirrors. That is which materials are you taking? For suppose you are taking the scales, you are keeping the scales inside of the box. Okay, and finally you are close to the kaleidoscope. Okay, and again you are keeping the one small hole. Okay, just you are rotate and you are first you are observing the inside of the object. That is the first case. What, Nana? You are not rotated the kaleidoscope. Yes or no, ma? So what you are observe? Some images are formed inside of the objects. And next case is just slowly you are rotate and observing inside of the objects. What you are observe? So many images. Again reflection of the light means that is so many images are observing the inside of the objects. Okay, you are understood, ma? So you must ensure you are doing it at home, Nana, this activity. Okay, thank you.